Today's probably the day. You probably don't know what I'm talking about, but if you're an older subscriber slash friend, you'll know what I'm talking about, because today's probably the day. I'm getting rid of the white Civic. I know you can't see it, but I'll show you the outside of it. The white Civic. Let's go ahead and get to it and see if I do get it or not. Hey, what's up, you guys? Alright, so what's up, you guys? I'm back again, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you the brand new car or truck that I just purchased. In the previous video I told you guys to guess. Some of you guys did get it right. I'll let you guys know who that was in the comment section below and in the description box, either one. Now, I know the car that I did purchase, some of you guys probably won't like, but hey, it's my decision, it's my car, and this is a car that I've been wanting for a really long time, so I'm super happy with it. After I show you guys the car or truck that I did purchase, if you want, leave me questions. Why did I buy this car instead of that car, or why did I buy that truck instead of that truck, or just leave me questions and I will answer them, maybe in a future video, or I'll just reply right there and there. I am going to show you right now, but before I even get into that, I just wanted to say, I don't want to get all motivational and all that, but honestly, if you guys ever want to get something, no matter how big or how small it is, just work hard for it, and believe me, it will come back to you and you will end up purchasing that or getting to your goal. Like I said, just work hard and it will happen. So I'm not going to show you guys this to like brag or anything, because I got a comment like that in the past. No, I'm only sharing this because I mean, I do have a car channel, so it's part of my channel and it's part of me, and I'm going to show you guys that. So once again, just work for what you want and you will achieve it, believe me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you haven't seen it from the title or the thumbnail, I did get a 2018 Toyota Tacoma Trd off-road. There's many reasons why I purchased this truck. If you guys remember, or if you guys did see that previous video that I told you guys about the 2018 new car or cars that I have owned, I know I had said I was either going to go for a Subaru WRX STI or a Lexus RCF or a Toyota Tacoma TRD. Those were 3 of my cars that I really wanted to purchase. I've already owned a Subaru, so I was kind of like, damn, should I even get a second Subaru, or should I try something different? And it's in the budget that I had, which was $30,000 to $35,000. That's one of the reasons why I purchased this. Like I said, you guys want to leave me comments on why exactly I did go with the truck rather than a car. I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys around, do a little quick walk around, and if you guys want to see more of this truck, let me know. So if you guys don't know too much about like Toyota Tacomas and stuff, the TRDs, the TRD Pro is pretty much the top of the line. There is a TRD Sport and a TRD Off-Road. Those are the ones like second in line. Going with the Off-Road, this thing comes with the GoPro mount already installed, so I don't even have to purchase that, and it's cool because I want to get some off-road videos for you guys and for myself. I've always wanted to be an off-roader. I always wanted to do those things. To me, it seems like really fun. So this truck will allow me to start getting into it little by little. I don't mean to gibberish and all that, but I'm just letting you guys know what's up. This one, of course, comes with Bilstein shocks, a little bit lifted. It comes with off-road wheels, comes with the good grip tires for the off-roading. You know, it's what I want. I did purchase the 4-door. It is the short bed. The reason I got the short bed was, honestly, like, I'm not really going to be using the bed of the truck. I just like the look of these. I did need a 4-door because I sometimes carry people with me, and that 2-door stuff, that ain't for me. That's the front. It does come with navigation and a couple other like sweet little things. This is the back. I will be honest, it's not that big. There'll be a review on this. Maybe I'll do a 5 things I hate, 5 things I love type of video like I did with my other vehicles. Something really cool that I like, since I mean I am a little guy. That's another reason why I didn't get a full-size truck or anything humongous like that. I'm little, so it'd be too massive for me. But this is cool. Check it out. It goes down on its own, so other trucks don't do that. You go out on that. No, I'm just kidding. But this truck is missing one more thing that I need to add, and I will add it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. Notice here, something's missing. In a second, I'll show you what it is. So now I'm back, and this is what the truck was missing. Man, I'm so excited. I'm not even joking with you guys. Check it out. Damn, what do you guys think about that? Alright, so once again, like I said, I don't want to get all crazy motivation and all that, but just work hard and you get what you want. House, cars, anything you want. I did tell you guys which car I gave away, not literally. I did trade it in. It was my 2015 Honda Civic LX. I still have my 2015 Honda Civic SE, and I still have my 2014 Mini Cooper. So you guys are still gonna see that in the videos. I'm gonna try to get this bad boy more onto the channel and stuff, little by little. You guys might see installs, or like I said, I really wanna go off-roading and do all that stuff. So I'm gonna try to purchase a GoPro, and then we'll probably do that. Of course, I am going to do little things to it here and there. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.